Hi, Steve here. Thank you for joining me on the Panoramic Travels YouTube channel. I was reluctant to make this video because of the very poor quality of the installation video clips, but more about that in a minute. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the factory installed speakers in a 2022 model year Ram ProMaster 3500 cargo van, although I think the instructions apply to all ProMasters from 2014 to the present. I'll be replacing two woofers located in the door panels and two tweeters located at the bottom of the A-pillars. Okay, roll the intro. Again, I apologize for the terrible quality of the installation video clips you're going to see in a few minutes. I actually installed these speakers almost 2 years ago. I had a very limited amount of time, so I just recorded the installation with a tool in one hand and my iPhone in the other. If I were doing the installation today, I would have taken a few more minutes to put the iPhone on a tripod or have my wife help me. I decided to make the video because it is still informative, and if it helps a few of my viewers take on this project, then it will have been worth it, and maybe the poor quality will be somewhat entertaining. One very important point I want to make today is that whenever you want to upgrade the electronics or speakers in your vehicle, you should go to the Crutchfield.com website, or for my Canadian viewers, the Crutchfield.ca website. That's what I've been doing for decades, and I've never been disappointed. Their prices are very competitive, and they sometimes provide wiring adapters and step-by-step installation instructions for free. Once at the Crutchfield website, I clicked on Car Audio and then on Find What Fits Your Vehicle. Then I entered the year, make, and model of my vehicle, a 2022 model year Ram ProMaster 3500 cargo van. Then I clicked on Car Speakers Front Door. Finally, I clicked on 6.5-inch diameter speakers. This gave me a list of 81 speaker kits ranging in price from $39 to $3,500. I chose the Infinity Primus 603 CF speaker kit for just under $100 US. The kit comes with two 6.5-inch diameter woofers, two 3/4-inch diameter silk dome tweeters, two inline crossovers, and some mounting hardware. I also bought a set of 3 pry tools that will help to remove the A-pillar trim and the door panels. Okay, so onto the speaker installation. Here are the instructions that Crutchfield provided. The speaker kit didn't include a perfect mounting bracket, so I had to improvise a little. Obviously, repeat these steps for the passenger side speakers. So how much better do these speakers sound? Unfortunately, I don't have any objective way to measure the improvement. I noticed a slight improvement mostly in the mid and high frequencies, but my hearing isn't that great after playing the drums for 50 years. My wife found the overall sound to be a lot better than the factory installed speakers and thought that this was definitely a worthwhile project. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and we'll have more videos up soon.